Welcome to the Qigong and tapping routine to help you feel grounded and safe. Let's begin by setting our intention for today's practice with some tapping, starting with butterfly tapping on your chest and repeating after me. I am grounded and safe in my mind and body. Inner eye, I choose to release any thoughts or experiences from my past. Outer eye, that make me feel otherwise. Under eye, allowing them to float away like the clouds in the sky. Upper lip, rooting myself so deep in the earth. Chin, that nothing or no one can knock me down. Collarbone, standing tall, feeling strong and powerful. Side of the body, with each breath, my roots pushing down deeper and deeper. Top of the head, in this moment and the moments going forward. Wrist, I remain strong, grounded, and completely safe. Continue tapping, taking a deep breath in through the nose, and a slow exhale out. Giving yourself a little shake, and begin rotating from the waist, allowing your arms to knock on your lower back and stomach. Keeping your legs strong and rooted and grounded into the earth, allowing the momentum from your waist to allow your arms to knock. And bringing one arm across your chest, the other one remains on the lower back. And then lightly slapping over top of your shoulder, releasing any tension you're holding in your neck or upper back. And then slowly starting to make your way back down, back onto the chest. And the lower back, lower abdomen, twisting at the waist. And then slowing down. Until you come to a stop. Stepping out wider into a high horse stance, pressing one hand up and one down. Scooping forward, rolling through the spine to come in, and rotating sides. Scooping forward, rolling up back to center. Getting into this rhythm as you rotate from one hand to the other. Exhale as you scoop forward. Inhale as you press your arms apart and stretch. This is called connecting heaven and earth, allowing your body to become that pillar of strength, of security. Connecting earth that grounds us, and the heavens, the higher source, God, whoever you believe in, that brings you safety. Creating a small ball between your hands, feeling into that energy for just a breath, and allowing your hands to settle by your side. Swinging your arms forward and allowing them to pull back in. Large swing as you collect, standing tall as you pull back in. Exhale as your arms swing round, and inhale as you pull in. Always going with your own pace and your own breath. A lot of times we lose that sense of safety, that sense of feeling grounded when we're giving our energy away, when we're allowing it to leak from ourselves through worries and fears. So collecting that energy, pulling it back into yourself. You can visualize pulling it in each time you bring it towards yourself, growing taller, stronger, more secure, more grounded. Now inhaling, bringing your arms up, pressing palms together as you pull down to the center of your body. Palms pushing up to the sky and floating back down. Bringing your hands in prayer pose to your heart space, taking a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Hands gathering as you inhale, bringing palms back to chest for another breath. I am big on visualization, so gathering light, bringing it down to your heart space as you breathe, calling back your energy, feeling that safety from within. Inhale, scooping, gathering the light, and bringing it to your heart for a breath. Pushing those hands up to distribute some of that love back into the earth, into the atmosphere, to our surroundings. And bringing feet closer together, inhale, hands up, and exhale, push down. As your hands come up, grow tall, and as you exhale, sinking back into the ground. Just creating that pillar one more time. Inhale, rising, and exhale, sinking and grounding. And inhale, arms up and around, pushing through the center of the body. Inhale up. Exhale down, and as you sink, grounding your feet deeper and deeper into the earth. And exhaling, sinking. Placing your hands on your lower belly, your lower dantian, just for breath. Really feeling into your body. Focusing on the connection of your feet to the ground, your tall, strong spine, and how the crown of your head is raising tall to the heavens. Taking one final deep inhalation and slowly exhaling as you give your belly a slight little rub. And give yourself a nice little squeeze, a hug, because nothing makes you feel safer than being in someone's arms. Why not your own? I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know what you thought in the comments.
Ready to dive deeper? Join the Mindfully Me Studio, my online membership, which houses an ever-growing gallery of workshops. Diving deeper into aspects that could be blocking you from receiving money. How to get out of the energy of lack and desperation and into the energy of receiving. And how to let go of past shame so you can move forward, just to name a few. Focusing on a new workshop every 2 months with exclusive weekly tutorials based on that workshop. Also download as an app to use anytime, anywhere.